Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT APIs for small business. So using ChatGPT APIs for small business apps can enhance customer interaction, automate tasks, and improve efficiency. So here's how you can integrate and utilize them effectively. So you will just follow the steps. I will be just moving the next application, which is openai.com. So you will visit OpenAI page, and you will just sign up or log in the obtain an API key from your dashboard, which is left, and you will just select it API keys. And what gonna do, you will just install Python or use your preferred programming language and install the OpenAI library via pip install OpenAI. And you will just basic examples, like you will just create on this API key. So you will just generate a new secret key, and whatever your project name, you will just type it. I will just type on it chat GPT example, and from here you will just select it your default project, and you will just create a key. So after creating a key, you will just use in some applications for like features to implement for small businesses, like you will just use in API key from here in like chatbots for customer service answers frequently answer questions automatically, and appointment scheduling automate responses with date time opinion. And you will also use product recommendations provide personalized suggestions. And you will use in email drafting create automate email responses or marketing campaigns. So you will just use it in this, and in this way you can just use ChatGPT API for small businesses apps so easily. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.